chromosomes, meaning one set from father, one set from mother. If this was from human being, how many chromosomes will be there in primary oocyte nucleus? 46. 23 plus 23, 46. And this is surrounded, this primary oocyte is surrounded by flat cells, single layer of squamous cells. These cells are called follicular cells. Don't confuse with follicular cells of thyroid follicle, but these are follicular cells of primordial follicle. Now, surrounding this primordial follicle, this is primordial follicle. These are not parts. I mean, primary follicular cells are parts, but not collagen fibers or the stromal cells. Yeah. These cells, these stromal cells and collagen fibers, they form a protective structure called theca folliculi. But it will form in the primordial follicle late stage. What happens? These follicular cells, they are in mitosis. Mitosis meaning the somatic cell division. Follicular cells will divide and redivide, forming cuboidal cells called granulosa cells. Look here, granulosa. When granulosa cells are formed, then the structure is no longer primordial, the structure is primary follicle. Here, a late primary follicle has been shown. An early primary follicle, you can imagine, maybe not these many cell deep structure, maybe 2 or 3 layers, more than 1 layer, that would qualify for a primary follicle. So these granulosa cells start secreting estrogens. Alright? But these cells, as if these cells are possessed by the ghost of mitosis, I'm dramatizing. That means they're dividing at a frenzy rate. So what happens as the cells divide, they become smaller and smaller. So granulosa cells become smaller and smaller, and spaces appear, and those spaces coalesce to form a larger space, and that is called antron. Look here. Theca folliculi is formed. Theca folliculi has 2 parts, theca externa and theca interna. Don't bother with that. I don't know if I included theca folliculi in the structure, no. But I might have that as a bonus question. Okay? So you should have some knowledge of theca. What is theca folliculi? A protective covering. Okay? For protection. Now, as the cells, so this is when antrum is formed, this is no longer a primary follicle, this is a secondary follicle. Okay. The criterion, presence of antron. And the cells divide, the granulosa cells surrounding this is still primary oocyte, because the first division of meiosis 1, is not yet completed. But in a mature follicle, when you see the antrum is much larger, filled with follicular fluid, and structure is larger. This first division of meiosis is completed, so primary oocyte divides into secondary oocyte, and the polar body, first polar body. You will learn about that. You don't bother about it. You learn about that in the reproductive system. That's very interesting. So this is now secondary oocyte. If your book has primary oocyte, please type that out and write secondary oocyte. Okay? Because this is a mature follicle, a Graafian follicle, which is ready to rupture, which is ready for ovulation. Because, and look at the granulosa cells surrounding the gamete, they form, surround the gamete, what is called corona radiata, or the radiating crown. Corona radiata. Okay? I'm going to show you, after this, I'm going to show you the slides.